15 government past question. Question number 19 says the organ of the AU that prepares for the meeting of the Assembly of Heads of State and Government is dash. The assembly or the organ of the AU that prepares for the meeting of the Assembly of Heads of State and Government is dash. Now we'll talk of AU. AU is the abbreviation of African Union. Take note, African Union. Then the organ that option A say Commission of Mediation, Cancellation and Articulation. No. So this, not this organ. Then B, African Parliament. No. C, Council of Ministers. No. D, General Secretariat. Yes. The duty of the General Secretariat is to prepare meeting schedule. It's one of the function, meeting schedule for Assembly of States, Heads of State and Government. So option D is correct. Thank you and kindly subscribe for more videos.